Hello and welcome. Today let's discuss how to make your likes on X private. So the simple answer is that you don't need to change anything at all because X already made likes private for everyone in 2024. Only you can see your likes tab on your profile and it's not visible to anyone but you. So it's hidden from followers and non-followers alike. To prove that, I can switch to my another X account to show to you that I really can see someone else's likes tab on their profile. So this is my X account that I used previously, and as you can see, here is no section with my likes. Yes, but here's a little catch that on X application on your homepage at the top of your screen you should see here following section, and if you enter here sometimes you can see posts that people that you follow liked, and occasionally your post that you like can appear in this following tab with the note that this user liked this post. So someone who follows you can see that you liked this or that post. So just keep in mind that you have to be careful with things you like on X because it may show up in that section. And for total invisibility, you can try using bookmarks feature instead of likes. So go to specific post and below it find bookmark icon. You want to tap it, and at the top of your screen you should see this message that post added to your bookmarks. So you want to go to your profile and here find bookmarks, and boom, this is the post that I have just saved. And this section is 100% private and it will never appear in anyone's feed. So you can just be calm about it and do not worry about the things that you save on X. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.